Hey everyone! Today, we're making a super easy and tasty Mexican chicken and rice, all in one pot. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you want a delicious meal without spending hours in the kitchen. Let's gather our ingredients. You'll need some olive oil, chicken cut into small pieces, spring onions, taco seasoning, rice, chicken stock, and cherry tomatoes. You can find most of these at your nearest supermarket. First, heat the olive oil in a large pan. Then, add the chicken and cook until it turns a nice golden brown. Next, we'll add the white parts of the spring onions and the taco seasoning. Stir it all up and let those flavors get to know each other. Now, it's time for the rice. Pour in the rice, chicken stock, and some water. Give it a good stir, let it come to a boil, then turn down the heat and cover the pan. Let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the rice is nice and soft. While that's cooking, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Once the rice is ready, take it off the heat. Finally, let's add those finishing touches. Top your chicken and rice with the chopped cherry tomatoes and the green parts of the spring onions. Add a sprinkle of black pepper and voila! Your one-pot Mexican chicken and rice is ready to enjoy. This recipe is so easy and so flavorful, it's sure to become a family favorite. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes. Thanks for cooking with me, and I'll see you in the next video.